Hi everyone, Karen Hickey here. This is day 2 of our Valenzuela training. And just like day 1, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Pero to be honest, medyo nakakapagod pala magkasunod ang class. I actually had to wake up super early in the morning just to disinfect and prepare all the tools again. Kaya habang nagsiset up pa lang ako, ramdam ko na yung pagod. Pero syempre worth it naman when I saw my students ready and excited to learn. Nauna pa sila sa akin kasi sobrang traffic. This time, I had a new set of students. Finally, may mga taga Valenzuela na. Pero marami pa rin nag-travel from far places. And nakakatuwa kasi I also saw some familiar faces joining us again. Mas marami rin sila compared to day 1. At first, tahimik pa rin, medyo shy and reserved. Pero later on, naging makulit na at mas lively, which made the whole class super fun. Ang galing pa nila, very attentive, eager to learn, and really willing to try. Nakakatawa pa kasi sabi nila, "Ma'am, ang dali pala ng builder gel extensions." Pero nung nag-emboss nail art class na kami, doon na challenge. It's always so interesting to watch students realize na sometimes the thing you thought was hard is actually simple. And yung akala mong madali, yun pala yung mas tricky. That's how learning goes, 'di ba? Parang full of surprises siya. And syempre, it was held ulit sa Brulogy 183 na parami na naman ako ng inom ng coffee at hindi na nakaligtas sa akin yung food. Sobrang sarap. Ang cozy ng vibe ng place which made the whole training even more enjoyable. Overall, day 2 was a success also. Mas madaming students, mas interactive. Hindi naman siya mas masaya, pero masaya pa din siya. To all my students from this batch, thank you for your energy, your effort, and your dedication ulit. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget your homework. I'm really grateful for this Valenzuela experience. Both day 1 and day 2 gave me so much good memories, and I can't wait to do this again.